we were reading and discussing about which subject in your English language class. Do you remember? In the last video, we were discussing about phrases. Is it not? You know what is a phrase? And then we have discussed about different type of phrases. Is it not? What are the different type of phrases you have to learn here? Then we have seen adverb phrase. Different kinds of adverb phrases as adverb phrase of time, adverb phrase of place, and adverb phrase of manner. Yesterday, finally we have discussed about adverb phrase of time. Is it not? An adverb phrase of time tells us when something happened. Okay, what is called an adjective phrase of time? Can you say an example? Yesterday we have seen certain examples also. I will have ice cream after my dinner. It shows that I will take ice cream only after my dinner. It shows the adverb phrase of time. Okay, it is an example of adverb phrase of time. It shows the time. Is it not? After my dinner shows the time when I take ice cream. Okay, students, adverb phrase of place. It is the next kind of adverb phrase. Which is that adverb phrase of place. So before that we were reading and studying about adverb phrase of time. Okay. Now we are going to learn about adverb phrase of place. See, an adverb phrase of place state where something happened. What does adverb phrase shows? Adverb phrase of place state where something happened. See some example. They parked the car near the tree. This is the answer for the question of where did they park their car. Near the tree shows where, the place, is it not? So it is an example for adverb phrase of place in a sentence. Okay. Next, here is where I last saw her. Okay. Here is where shows the where did I see her lastly, finally. Okay. Here is where I last saw her. In this sentence, here is where shows where or the place. Okay. It denote adverb. Therefore, this is the adverb phrase of place in this sentence. Adverb phrase of place. Okay, if you want to ask something about adverb phrase of place, you can ask. Then we will go to see adverb phrase of manner. Mannerism. You might have heard about that. Manners. Okay, adverb phrase of manner. What is that? An adverb phrase of manner state how something is done. What does adverb phrase of manner shows? Adverb phrase of manner state how something is done. For example, they spoke very quietly in the library. See, very quietly shows how they spoke in the library. Is it not? How did they speak in the library? They spoke very quietly. This very quietly describe the verb here, which is the verb spoke, speak. Past tense of speak is spoke. So it is an example for a adverb phrase of manner. Okay, see another example. They wrote very neatly in the notebook. How did they write in their notebook? They wrote very neatly. This very neatly shows how did they write in the notebook. This very neatly is another example for a adverb phrase of manner. Now you have learned about adverb phrase of time, adverb phrase of place, adverb phrase of manner. These are the three kinds of adverb phrase. Which are they? Can you say with me? Adverb phrase of time, adverb phrase of place, and adverb phrase of manner. Adverb phrase of time. Adverb phrase of time shows when the action has taken place. When. Okay, next. Adverb phrase of place shows where something has taken place. Where. And adverb phrase of manner shows how something is done. Okay. These things you should keep in mind. Now we are going to do some exercise work on the basis of this lesson. Okay. And if you have doubts regarding this kinds of adverb, you can ask. Okay. Adverb of time, adverb phrase of adverb phrase of place, and adverb phrase of manner. About these three kinds of adverb phrase, if you have something to ask, you can ask. Okay, in my WhatsApp number otherwise. Okay, let us go ahead. See B. Identify and underline the adverb phrases and state their types. That is an exercise for you. Okay, students, listen. B. Identify and underline the adverb phrases and state their types. First one, she came to the party very late. Okay. When did she came to the party? She came to the party very late. See, this very late is a adverb phrase. Okay, because to describe the noun came. Okay, she came to the party very late. Adverb phrase of time. Second, the children ate very noisily in the canteen. How did the children eat in the canteen? So this very noisily shows a manner. So it is adverb phrase of manner. Before the judgment, the accused was upset. Before the judgment, It shows the adverb. It is adverb phrase of time. When the accused was upset before the judgment. Adverb phrase of time. Fourth, please be seated. The prayer take place every day. Every day shows time. It is an adverb phrase of time. Okay, fifth one, the gardener shouted with a loud voice at the trespassers. How did the gardener shouted? He shouted with a loud voice. Loud voice, adverb phrase of manner. Okay. Next exercise. C. State whether the underlined phrases are noun phrases, adjective phrases and adverb phrases. You have already learned that phrases are in three types. Which are they? Noun phrases, adjective phrases and adverb phrases. Okay. Here first one, those books are very rare. What is very rare? Those books. So this is adverb phrase. Very rare is a adverb phrase in this sentence. Second, he ran as fast as a mouse. How did he run? How did he run? How did he run? He ran as fast as a mouse. As fast as a mouse explain the action of run. So it is a adverb phrase. Listen. She had a beautiful lace dress. Lace dress to denote textiles or clothes. So here you see she had a beautiful lace dress. Which type of lace dress she had? She had a beautiful. Modify the noun. Okay, it is an adjective phrase. Therefore, a beautiful lace. Her dress is a beautiful lace. So, a beautiful lace modify the noun. So it is an adjective phrase. Fourth one, the film was long and boring. What was long and boring? The film. Okay, therefore it is also an adjective phrases. Fifth one, I saw a sparkling goldfish there. What I saw there? I saw a sparkling goldfish. So it is an adjective phrase because it modify the noun. Okay, next. Sixth, he was a young man of great promise. Who was he? He was a young man of great promise. This young man of great promise describe the noun here. Is it not? It is an adjective phrase therefore. Seventh, my neighbor was a man of rude disposition. So, the habit of my neighbor is described here. Therefore, it is an adjective phrase. Okay. 8. The men belong to a tribe living on the island. Living on the island. Okay. So, this on the island explain his state of living. So it is an adverb phrase. Next, only student with constant letters can go for the trip. Who can go for the trip? Only student with consonant letters. So in order to go for a trip, students should get the permission from their parents or guardian. That is what the school authorities ask through this statement. So this only student with constant letters describe the noun. Okay, so it is a noun phrases. 10. The tiny furry cat that always scratches the door was missing. Which cat was missing? The tiny furry cat that always scratches the door was missing. So the tiny furry cat is noun phrase, is it not? So tiny fury explain the cat. Cat is the noun of the sentence. Let us see the next exercise. Exercise D section. Up the ladder. So children are climbing upon the ladder of grammar. That is meant by this book. D. State the type of the underlined phrases. Type of underlined phrases. Which are they? First, I am going to the beach. Where do I go? I am going to the beach. So to the beach is the adverb phrase, because to the beach describe verb going here, is it not? Okay, so it is an adverb phrase in this sentence. 2. The difficult test made me tired. What made me tired? The difficult test. What was difficult? The test was difficult. So difficult describe the adjective test here. Okay, so it is an adjective phrase. 3rd, the boy at the back likes to tease me. Who likes to tease me? The boy at the back. Boy is the noun of the sentence, is it not? So it is a noun phrase. Next one, 4. Mary walked very slowly to the office. How did Mary walk? She walked very slowly to the office. Very slowly. Describe the verb walk here, is it not? So it is an adverb phrase. 5th, the actor. Who is an actor? One who acts. Actor who won the award last year has passed away. Who has passed away? The actor. Actor is the noun here, is it not? So this is a noun phrase in this sentence. 6th, we expect our grandparents to arrive in about an hour. Whom we expect? We expect our grandparents to arrive in about an hour. In this sentence, our grandparents stand as a noun. Okay, our grandparents. Whose grandparents? Our. So these grandparents describe the noun here. So it is a noun phrase of the sentence. 7. The enthusiastic fans cheered widely for the players. Who cheered widely for the players? The enthusiastic fans. Fans were described with the word of enthusiastic. So it is an adjective phrase. The enthusiastic fans cheered widely for the players. Okay, next, everyone clapped loudly and cheerfully when the winner was announced. Okay, so loudly and cheerily describe how everyone clapped, is it not? Loudly and cheerfully describe or explain or modify the verb clap here. Everyone clapped. How they clapped? Loudly and cheerfully. So this loudly and cheerfully stand as a adjective phrase in this sentence. Okay. I have written this exercise in a paper for you. Students, you can take a screenshot of this page. Okay, be identify and underline the adverb phrases and state their types. She came to the party very early. Take a screenshot of this page. Be first, she came to the party very early. Okay, very early. Adverb phrase of time. Okay, the next two. The children ate very noisily in the canteen. It is adverb phrase of manner. Very noisily. Okay, third. Before the judgment, the accused was upset. Before the judgment shows the adverb phrase of time. Please be seated. The prayer take place every day. Every day, adverb phrase of time. Fifth, the gardener shouted. The gardener shouted with a loud voice at the trespassers. Loud voice, adverb phrase of manner. Okay? Then C. State whether the underlined phrases are noun phrase, adjective phrase or adverb phrases. Okay, the first one is those books are very rare, adverb phrase. Second, he ran as fast as a mouse, adverb phrase. Third, she had a beautiful lace dress, adjective phrase. Fourth, the film was long and boring, adjective phrase. Fifth, I saw a sparkling goldfish there, adjective phrase. Sixth one, he was a young man of great promise, adjective phrase. 7. My neighbor was a man of a rude disposition, adjective phrase. 8. The men belonged to a tribe living on the island, adverb phrase. Okay, 9. Only student with consent letters can go for the trip. Noun phrase. Only student with consonant letters. 10. The tiny furry cat that always scratches the door was missing. Noun phrase. Okay, then up the ladder. State the type of the underlined phrases. First one, I am going to the beach. Adverb phrase. 2. The difficult test made me tired. Adjective phrase. 3rd, the boy at the back likes to tease me. Noun phrase. 4. Mary walked very slowly to the office. Adverb phrases. 5th one, the actor who won the award last year has passed away. Noun phrases. 6th one, we expect our grandparents to arrive in about an hour. In about an hour. Noun phrases. 7. The enthusiastic fans cheered widely for the players. The enthusiastic fans. Adjective phrases. 8th one. Everyone clapped loudly and cheerfully when the winner was announced. Adjective phrase. Okay students, see this one. This is your homework. Okay. Learn. First one, what is a phrase? Second, what are the types of phrases? Third, what are the different kinds of adverb phrases? Okay. Adverb phrase of time, adverb phrase of place, and adverb phrase of manner. Okay. Then type of phrases, which are they? You know very well. Noun phrase, adjective phrase, and adverb phrase. What is a phrase? Phrase is a group of words which convey an idea, not a complete sense, because in a phrase there is no subject and predicate. Okay, then you have an activity. Go through the exercise section E, F, G, H. Read, understand, and try to find out the answer. In the next video we will do that. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in WhatsApp. Thank you for watching this video.